Hello and welcome YouTubers. My name is Michael Candolo. Today I start off with the encounter update for MECM 2111. Should you like to be mentioned in my next video session, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Kmtrainer. Let's go ahead and launch our MECM server. And also make sure all services related to MECM are up and running. Services such as Configuration Manager Update. As you can see, it's running. We have SQL Server. This service must be running for the console to be launched. So we got our SQL Server, SQL Server Agent, SQL Server Browser. Okay, all my services related to the running of MECM are up and running. Let's see how we can proceed with the encounter update. Administration, updates and servicing. So you can see we have Configuration Manager 2103, hotfix rollup. We have Configuration Manager 2107 and Configuration Manager 2111. So our training is focused on the encounter update to Configuration Manager 2111. You can now begin to upgrade to MECM 2111 version on site or sites that run Configuration Manager version 2006 or later. So if you check if you click on About Configuration Manager, so you can see we are running version 2103. So this is the Configuration Manager that was released in the month of March 2021. In this video training session, I cover the steps to upgrade to Configuration Manager 2111. As you can see, the update 2111 version of the Configuration Manager is available as an encounter update. So Configuration Manager 2111 is the third and final current branch update of the year 2021. So when you upgrade Configuration Manager 2111, you get the latest fixes and new features added to your site or sites. The MECM 2111 is not a baseline version. If you are performing a fresh installation of Configuration Manager, you should use the Configuration Manager 2103 baseline version as shown in my earlier training video session about the implementation of MECM that is on my YouTube channel Kmtrainer. So if you have a pending restart, you should go ahead and reboot your server. Now, one of the most common questions asked before upgrade is, should I go ahead and install the MECM hotfixes before MECM 2111 upgrade? The answer is no. As I was saying, you can skip Configuration Manager 2103, Configuration Manager 2103, hotfix rollup 2107, and move directly from the version, Configuration Manager version 2103 to Configuration Manager 2111. As you can see, it says ready to install. So you can either perform the install update pack by right-clicking and choosing Install Update Pack, or you can just select the Configuration Manager version that you want to install the update and click Install Update Pack. Let's click there. Do not select this checkbox. Leave it alone, because you want to make sure that if you have any outstanding errors or issues that need to be resolved before we upgrade, then Configuration Manager can actually give us a hint. Click Next. Next again. Go with the default. Click Next. I accept. Click Next. So since we're not going with the cloud attach, so I'm gonna deselect this checkbox, deselect this one, and click Next. Click Next again. And then click Close. As you can see, it says installing. The status is changed from ready to install to installing. Administration, checking prerequisites. So it's gonna take a while to actually begin the checks. You will see the update status as checking prerequisites for a long time. Okay, now the status is telling us prerequisite check passed with warnings. So let's select show status, Configuration Manager 2111, prerequisite check passed with warning. Right click, show status. Okay. So completed, prerequisite check completed with warnings. What are the warnings? Let's head down. Check if HTTPS or enhanced HTTP is enabled for site system roles. So this is the only warning that we have. We need to fix it before we can proceed. The answer is already provided here. It says completed with warning, HTTPS or enhanced HTTP are not enabled for client communication. HTTP only communication is deprecated and support will be removed in a future version of Configuration Manager. Enable a more secure communication method for the site, either by enabling HTTPS or enhanced HTTP. That's the answer. So click OK. Let's go and fix this warning. Let's right click on our site, go to properties, and let's click the communication security tab and check this checkbox. Click apply, click OK. As we monitoring the upgrade to version 2111 via the console, we can also monitor the upgrade via the log. So let's go to the log file on the C, program files, Microsoft Configuration Manager, logs, and the log we're looking for is the CM update. So double click to open it with Configuration Manager Trace Log Tool, CM Trace. That's the best tool to use for reading Configuration Manager logs. So here we can also monitor the status of the upgrade. As you can see, we have live info about the upgrade status. So I'm on the monitoring workspace, and as you can see, the configuration manager 2111 has been successfully installed on our primary site server. So the next step is to upgrade the console. So you can either refresh the console once or close and launch the console again. So let's close the console. So let's upgrade the console to the latest version of MECM 2111. So we have upgraded the primary site server, and now we need also to upgrade the console so it can be upgraded to the latest version, which is MECM 2111. So let's go to Start, Configuration Manager Console, More, Run as Administrator. So as you can see, it says a new version of the console is available. Working in the old console might corrupt data. So this is the pop-up window for the console upgrade. So all we need to do is just click OK. To begin the console upgrade. So the console upgrade process involves uninstalling the old version of console and installing the latest console version. As you can see, it says the feature update task requires that you close the Configuration Manager console, close all open Configuration Manager consoles, and retry the operation. Let's click to retry. So during this process, it involves uninstalling the old version of console and installing the latest console version. The console extensions are also updated during this process. But if you notice issues during console upgrade, refer to Configuration Manager console log files for troubleshooting. Okay, the console has successfully upgraded to the latest version of MECM 2111. So to confirm, let's go to the About Configuration Manager. About Configuration Manager. As you can see, version is 2111, console version, site version. Now, let's also upgrade the clients. The easiest way to upgrade the clients is by using the client upgrade feature. So let's go to the administration workspace, site configuration, sites, and hierarchy settings, client upgrade tab, and select upgrade all clients in the hierarchy using production client. Click OK. Click apply and click OK. So this operation enables any computers running an older version of Configuration Manager Client to be upgraded to the latest version of MECM Client. So this is the end of our training on upgrading to the latest version of Configuration Manager 2111. My goal is to teach and inspire people worldwide by educating them in information technology and contribute to the constant change of the world. Not by limiting technology, but by sharing with everyone eager to learn, to make you better than you were yesterday. I hope that I can be that person who will help you or give you that extra push in life. It's time for me now to sign out. Stay humble, stay hungry for right knowledge. Until next time, please take good care of yourself and stay blessed.